Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to teach you how to make this granny square tote bag. For the materials you will need 4 colors of yarn, a 3mm hook, a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. I use the Hobbii rainbow cotton in these 4 colors. Now we can start by making the middle part of the square. So take your white yarn and start by making a magic circle. Then you're going to chain 3 and that counts as the first double crochet. Now you're going to make 15 more double crochets into the magic ring. So you should have a total of 16 double crochets. When you have your 16 double crochets, now you're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the beginning. This was the first round. And now you can take your scissors to cut it off. For round 2, I'm going to use the gray yarn. You're going to insert your hook in one of the double crochets and pull your gray yarn through the stitch. Now you're going to yarn over and put your hook back into that same stitch. Draw up a loop. Now you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and go back into that same stitch and draw up a loop. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and go into the same stitch, draw up a loop. And now you will have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 7 loops. Chain 1 and repeat in the following 15 stitches. Now you're going to slip stitch it in between 2 puff stitches. Now round 2 is finished. Now we can start with round 3. You're going to start by putting your hook in between 2 puff stitches and you can take your new color. For this round we're going to double crochet 4 together. So to do that we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. One last time, yarn over, pull up a loop, go through 2, and now you have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all of the 5 loops. Now chain 2 and repeat the same thing for another 15 times. When you have the 16 clusters, you can slip stitch it in between the 2 first clusters. For the last round, I'm going to use the dark blue. Insert your hook between 2 clusters and take your new color. Now we're going to make 3 double crochets into that same space. That's 1, That's 2. And now the last one. In the next space, we're going to make 3 triple crochets into the same space. Chain 2 and make another 3 triple crochets into that same space you just made the other 3. We're going to make again 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Now we're going to make 3 half double crochets. And then again 3 double crochets, and now you're going to repeat the same pattern all the way around. This is the pattern for the last round. You can screenshot it if you find this easier to follow. When you're done, you're going to slip stitch it into the first double crochet that you made, and then you're ready with the last round. Now you need to make 12 more, so you have a total of 13 squares. When you have the 13 squares, you're going to lay them out like this and sew them all together. When you did that, it should look like this. Now you can see that you can fold it and then you can sew it together like this. Now it looks like this, and now we can start by making the straps. For these straps, I'm just going to single crochet until the corner of the square. And now I'm going to chain 100 chains. When you're done, you can just attach it with a single crochet, and you can just single crochet all the way around until you reach the other side, and then you can repeat the same thing with the 100 chains. When you're done with the first round, you can start with the second round of single crochets, and then you can single crochet in all the 100 chains. When you're done with the outside, you can also single crochet on the inner side so that you have a thicker strap. This is the end result of the granny square tote bag. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, like this video and let me know in the comments what I should make next.